We got a real nice van for you folks. Clean, 2-owner, perfect Carfax, no accidents. Meat and potato Dodge Caravan. This is a Crew SXT. This has a stow and go seating, power rear gate, power side doors, backup cam. This has a trailer tow pack matched to the 3.6-liter motor. Great setup. Nice van, non-smoker.
Official rules and end of the weekend reimagined sweepstakes offered by Caravan Monday. Member
Center console, factory DVD system, black on black.
Valid October 14th to October 20th. INC Press here with your Feed the Fans Friday update for the weekend.
This van's going to be guaranteed credit approval. Everyone rides at $795 starting down. Fully serviced and safety inspected, all through the shop, road tested, service contract included. 3 months, 4,500 miles on that drive line. We went ahead and checked it all out, folks. It's good for the whole fam. Easy credit terms too. Current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 45 minutes of your time, and a big old smile, and we get you rolling in this Caravan. $795 starting down. DasCleveland.com.